Hello, peoples. This is my new channel. Yeah, this is my motorized bicycle, by the way. My old channel was the world's angriest bike mechanic. Yeah, this is my new channel. Also, I have more shit to show. Also, I ditched the cowboy hat and I'm wearing a beanie now. He he he. Because it's fucking cold. Anyways, this is my motorized bicycle. In my last video on my other channel, I mentioned all the problems. I've fixed all of them, did an engine swap, better motor. And one thing I've learned, don't fuck with, like, performance parts if you're broke. The stock ones work just fine. You just gotta fuck with them a little bit. Cut the hell out of that. Okay. I gutted everything out of here. Everything. Okay. And there's another tube that goes inside this tube. I cut that as low as possible. I'm not sure if you can see, but I also drilled 2 holes for more, whatever, airflow. And this thing runs great. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. Yeah, don't fucking buy performance parts for these if you're flat broke. Actually, if you are to buy performance parts, first thing you should get is new muffler. You can get that muffler to work. And new cylinder top. Also, other things you can do, upgrade the bike, new tires, all that whatnot. I got a 3-liter gas tank, or it's a 2-liter. No, it's a 3-liter. Yeah, I actually don't know. My other gas tank was a 1.5-liter. Maybe it's a 2.5. I don't know. But yeah, this thing runs amazing. I'll get it running for you guys real quick. This is it running. I gotta tune up the carburetor a little bit to hold safe. I gotta knock the bike over because it's really easy. Goodbye, peoples.